Hi, I'm Robert Auerbach, and I'm an advanced certified practitioner of Rolf Structural Integration, also known as Rolfing. One of the questions that I'm often asked is, well, now that I've done the 10-session process, or recipe as Ida Rolf used to call it, of Rolf bodywork, what happens then? What's the follow-up? And that's really a great question. Now, it's well known that this kind of bodywork has an unusual degree of permanency, but of course nothing is totally permanent in this world. People still can go out and, unfortunately, injure themselves again. But in addition to maybe wanting to deal with negative things like a future injury, people sometimes want to know, well, I've gotten so much out of this work, I'm feeling so great now, how can I extend what I've gotten? And the way we do that after the 10th session is we ask the client to please be patient, not come back next week or next month. This is not the fast food version of structural bodywork. This is a serious process. And typically we might say, come back in 6 months or a year. You'll know when, if you tune into your body, you'll know when you're ready for future work. An interesting thing that happens that's been demonstrated photographically is a picture taken before somebody's had their first session and a picture that's been taken after their 10th session. And then a picture a year later with no intervening work. The best picture, the picture in which the person has made the most progress, is a year later with no intervening work. That means that their body has taken over the process. They have not become dependent on the practitioner, and they're even better now. So we don't want to go in after session 10 and do a session 11 the next week, because we're interrupting the body's own capabilities to take this body of work that it's received and do some amazing things with it. Now, 6 months, a year later, we can do some advanced work that is not just maintenance or fix-it work. It's actually taking the body further down the path of structural evolution. And one of the advantages to that is that it becomes a lifelong journey, or can be if that's what the client chooses, to continual improvement and continual evolution.